Oh, they're missing something. I'm pissed now. Oh, I'm mad, Joe.
Like a kid on Christmas who opened a box with.
What's good, YouTube? Check it out. So I just got me a package from my guys over there at Clipper Depot. I ordered something. We finna open it. I know what it is. Y'all know what it is, but I'm finna open it and y'all finna look what we got. Let's go. Let's go. All right, y'all ready for this? Out, we don't need that. We got the receipt right here. Y'all check it out. Oh, they're missing something. I'm pissed now. Oh, I'm mad, Joe. And then I'm disappointed right now. I didn't even get my my shaver. Clipper Depot, man, y'all doing me dirty. Alright, well nonetheless, I'll show you what I got. And even though I'm having some stuff missing.
It might be on the way in another box.
You think so? Alright, well look. We got the new FX3 trimmer. I'm gonna be using this today. Man, I'm really upset because I ordered the freaking shaver and I didn't get it. But we got the clipper right here also. The FX3 professional high torque clipper. We're gonna put this thing to use. I've never used a clipper like this, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna give it a run, see what it does. And then I've heard good things about these, so I'm gonna have to give these a run too and see what they do. Let's go. Take the clipper out. Put some oil on that thing. Oil this thing up. Oh shit, that's tight. So the blade, the moving blade actually moves up and down, Joe. They're getting real fancy over here. Look, I don't know if y'all can see it, but the moving blade is the one that moves up and down. Alright, let's see what else is in this box. The Clipper Guru.
Yeah, I'm the Clipper Guru.
We got some guards because this blade is different, so
I do this for the culture.
we're gonna put this clipper to use. I got my charger, but I'm gonna use it first. Y'all know we got the handbook. I don't really read these. I already put oil on the clipper. So yeah, that's basically what it comes with. The clipper, it comes with a little strap. We got the charging cord, and we got some guards. And I actually had to hit them up because they forgot my shaver. But they told me it was on the way, it was in a different box. So we good, even though I wanted to unbox it and use it on this haircut, but it's all good. But this is what comes in the box. I gotta put this to the side now. All right, now we're gonna open up these trimmers real quick. I'm gonna be running behind that for this video. All right, let's open this thing up. So here's the trimmers right here. They look like the Slimline Pros a little bit. I like that blade on it. Take that blade out. Put some oil on this thing. Let's see what else comes in here. So in this box we got the pamphlet that we don't really worry about too much. Charging cord, oil and a brush, and a little screwdriver to zero gap it. And then we got the little hanging strap also. Let's go ahead and put these things to use. We got my client right here. Hey, I'm about to use them first time.
Because I'm the Clipper Guru.
Joe said because I'm the Clipper Guru. I'm not going to take that name, but if y'all want to call me that, you know, I'll answer to it.
Go with anything, anytime, any place.
Let's get it. Let's go ahead and get into this haircut. All right. First time using these type of clippers, let's get it. My client's like really all scared. He's all nervous. He's like, fuck. Nah, you'll be all right. I got you, fam.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Alright guys, so I'm on my way home, but, well actually I'm not on the way home, I'm just in my car. But, before I go home, I just wanted to, what's the word I'm looking for? Wanted to inform y'all on what I thought about the new Babyliss FX3s. I am upset that I didn't get the shaver for one. Like I ordered the bundle, you know what I'm saying, and for whatever reason, the shaver did not come in. I did contact Clipper Depot. They said that it got shipped in a different box. So unfortunately, I don't have an initial review on that. However, I will be getting it in Monday, so I'll be able to talk about it a little bit in, you know, my next video or so. But nonetheless, when it comes to the trimmer, the FX3 trimmer and the FX3 clipper, I ain't gonna lie, I'm actually impressed with the way they work. Now, when I say they, let me just start over. I'm actually impressed with the way the clipper works. I've never used a clipper like that with the lever on, you know, on top or whatever you want to call it. I wasn't expecting it to be like the greatest clipper or something like really like just groundbreaking. But when I cut with it, I just feel like it cut hair really good. Like the bulk, it took down the bulk really well. You know what I'm saying? The guard, I feel like the guards faded in well together. And when it comes to the trimmer, I've already seen videos on the trimmer. The trimmer, I knew it was gonna be a hitter, and it hit. Like it's borderline dangerous, and I say that because like if you have a heavy hand, you might need to move the blade back. And sometimes I have a heavy hand, but I did know they were gonna be really sharp. Therefore, I didn't like put a lot of pressure when I used them. So you know, I was just being careful, and that's one thing, man. You got to be really careful with that trimmer, because if you're heavy-handed or if you push too hard, you will mark them up and you can't cut them. But other than that, like I wouldn't necessarily say that's a bad thing, but other than that, them things are great, man. Like they really hit, they bought out good, you know, they line up well. I'm actually impressed with the way they work too, man, and that's just my initial thoughts on them right now. Like I'm liking them right now. Mind you, they are brand new, so you know how I am when it comes to these new tools. I use them and I think they're really good, and then, you know, putting them to use after a couple days, couple weeks, that's when you really get a feel of how they gonna work and if they worked it or not. And right now, I would say, yeah, man, like they hitting, they working good. I did a couple videos with them. I'm gonna be releasing a couple tutorials with them. I'm gonna be putting them in use for a little bit, but once I get that shaver and I can actually use like the whole bundle together, then I'll really know like if it's worth it or not. But as of right now, you know, I'm liking the way they work. But that's basically it for this video, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure and subscribe one time for your boy. I really appreciate it, YouTube. Y'all stay tuned for these next couple videos, man. Like I'm working out here for y'all, and I hope y'all appreciating this content. That's basically it, guys. I appreciate y'all. Until next time, let's go.